I made these bangles and wore them on a function. Wanna know how I did it? Then let's begin. Take two bangles, any bangles you have handy or you have at your home. These are plain bangles and stick these two bangles with any glue. I am using UHU. You can use any other glue that's handy for you. Now take a ribbon of 1 centimeter, that's 1 centimeter wide. Put a dot of glue or some amount of glue on its edge. Put that edge on the bangle and start wrapping it around the bangle. I'm using a maroon colored ribbon because the flowers for this gajra or bangle are reddish maroon and I have made those flowers with velvet. Now here I have made some flowers with organza, off-white organza and pearl beads of 4 millimeter. Make a bunch of these flowers and then wrap that bunch around the bangle and start wrapping your ribbon around the bangle too on those wires of which we have made a bunch. If you're interested, I am going to bring videos on how these flowers are made and show you the whole process. Now I am wrapping that second bunch of flowers around the bangle and again wrapping the ribbon too. Remember, when you're wrapping the ribbon, you will need to put some glue here and there, not continuously, because that would toughen the ribbon up and your ribbon would be spoiled. The whole effect of your bangle would be spoiled. But we have to stick that ribbon, so that's why we have to put some dots of glue here and there. You can say at regular intervals or distance, whatever the word is. I'm going to put all the bunches like this, the flower bunches, and again I'm going to wrap the ribbon in the same way I've told you. And when that's done, then I'll tell you what we are going to do next. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, I would say consider subscribing. Hit the bell icon so that you can have all the latest updates of my videos. Look, the whole bangle is made with the bead vines or bunches we have made. Now I'm going to stick the main flowers, and these are moss roses. And I told you, if you're interested, I'm going to make a tutorial of it. I'm using glue gun to stick these flowers. Now stick your second flower like we have done the first one. Stick all the flowers in the same way. Your gajra is almost ready. I have just left a little space to show you how I'm going to end this up. This is your second last flower, and now we are going to put the last one. Okay, your gajra is done. It's made. I would say wear it, enjoy it, and enjoy your functions. This is ready to wear. Just adds the symmetry of the flowers. Hope you're going to enjoy this gajra as much as I have enjoyed wearing it. Now I'm going to show you how I have worn it and how this can be worn. Have a wonderful day, all of you.